we're getting started here on Fire Fridays with CPA on Fire and Ron Parisi. So welcome everybody. Welcome our group here. Again, I'm Ron Parisi. Every Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, New York time, we get on, we cover one topic specifically for online entrepreneurs and their financial operations, right? What do we do, right? I'm Ron Parisi, managing member of CPA on Fire. We help online entrepreneurs while they're scaling, while they're growing, right? Navigate all the complexities that come with growth regarding their financial operations. That means accounting, tax planning, wealth accumulation planning. I say this all the time, you can't get away from growth without complexity, right? We live in a complex world, a lot of regulation and different income streams, employees, contractors, relationships with clients, relationship with vendors. As you grow, there's more complexity. And what we focus on is keeping you, the entrepreneur, focused on your unique skill sets, continuing to be creative, continuing to put what you have to offer to the world, and offloading all that complexity regarding your financial operations onto CPA on Fire. We give you the tools to make great business decisions, dashboards, long-term tax strategies to allow you to be as successful and as possible to optimize your financial operations. So today I want to talk about kind of a sensitive subject. Just in the last month, been fielding a lot of calls regarding with entrepreneurs, with online entrepreneurs that have really let their financial operations go by the wayside, meaning that they don't keep up with their bookkeeping, they don't keep up with their QuickBooks if they have QuickBooks, whether they're using an Excel spreadsheet. So I just thought, this conversation is really twofold, right? If you find yourself in this boat, okay, please do not let the problem fester, okay? Come to either CPA on Fire or another accounting firm that specializes in online entrepreneurs and know your industry to get you set up on an accounting system that will keep you current, that will allow you to see the true results of your company. Operating a business based on your checkbook balance is absolutely no way to run a business. Your time is too valuable, okay? Too many of you guys, too many online entrepreneurs that are so creative, that have such a special product, service, message to get out to the world, never do it because of poor financial operations. Even just we were just filling out a government form with the SBA with one of my clients, and I couldn't believe the layers and just the miscommunications, and having a hard time understanding what they were requesting. But this is what you have to deal with as an entrepreneur, and it sucks your energy, right? It sucks your creative energy, and when you get drawn in, you don't have the opportunity to do the things that you're very good at. And that's our whole concept. But step one, if you find yourself adrift, right, not knowing where, how your company's doing, not having your financial, your bookkeeping, your accounting under control, number one, please, hit the button, get help, okay? If you find yourself in this situation, and a couple of tips is that, one, please do not commingle your credit cards. Have a credit card, even if you don't have an LLC yet, or your credit doesn't allow you to have a business, credit card. Have a credit card that you specifically only use for business. The hardest thing to do and the most uncomfortable thing to do is to go through, hundreds of monthly transactions of somebody that commingles their personal and their business charges. We don't want to see what you spend your personal money on. You don't want us to see what you spend your personal money on. So number one, as you're setting up, your organization, please have a separate credit card, please have a separate bank account. If you do anything with debit cards, ACH, use just that specific bank account for business. Business should only be business bank account, business credit cards, okay? So just wanted to reach out to those that maybe are, running in one direction, doing really well with the business, but they've let their financial operations lapse. Please raise your hand, please get help, because you really do need to see how your financials are doing and how your business is performing. And then two is, particularly if you're in the early stages of your business, please don't commingle credit cards, bank accounts, etc. Okay. Again, this is Ron Parisi, CPA on Fire. Love being with you every Friday. Love trying to give you guys all, information to operate, optimize your online businesses. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll catch up with you later. Thanks now.